This is the here medical library. So I will show you the medical library. Here they have registration. This is the registration desk. This is the desk of English books. Here they have Davidson, they have Harrison, chemistry, radiology, obstetrics, orthopedics, this is the book collection center. So here the student will put the book and then some card will come out. So this is the book collection. Here he can collect the book and then he can go and study there.